Alrighty, I am in the Blender video sequence editor, and I have a 4K video in it right now. Now, if we go move the slider thingy here, you'll notice that the starts getting really slow. Yeah. See, I'm moving it around, and it's very low frame rate right here. It's hard to analyze the video. So, we can use proxies, which are a Blender feature that lets you store a smaller version of the footage that can be displayed faster. And then when we're previewing, it uses the proxy footage, but when we're exporting, it uses the original footage for the higher quality. So enabling this can be a bit complicated. You have to select the video file you want to generate a proxy for. On the right side here, you want to click Proxy and Cache. Scroll down. It says Strip Proxy and Timecode. You want to check that box. Scroll down some more. Of all of these boxes, just want to check the quality you want. So 25% builds proxies files that are 25% of the resolution you want, the output resolution. And then the JPEG quality, you can reduce that to make them even more compressed. Just going to put that there. And then to actually build the proxy files, you have to click this button, Rebuild Proxy and Timecode Indices. Then right down here, you can see what the progress is. It does take a while. It'll tell you the estimated time left if you hover over it. And I will speed this part up. Done rendering the proxies. In fact, if we refresh this folder here, and if we go in here, this is the actual proxy video it generated at the lower quality. Don't drag this in though, it'll automatically use it. And then it'll actually still be slow if we use it, because we have not configured the view to use our proxy files. So we have to select this, click into it, hit N, and then under, it might be closed, just click on View Settings, Proxy Render Size, click if you, whatever you checked here. So I chose 25%, so I'm going to choose proxy size 25%. And now if we go, no slowdowns. Thanks for watching.